This is San Diego News Daily.
I'm Monica Dean. Let's get right into your top local stories. There is a huge sigh of relief today. The remaining 20 Israeli hostages are reuniting with their families for the first time after living in Hamas captivity for more than 2 years. And nearly 200 Palestinian prisoners were freed to return to what's left of their home. Hamas has also agreed to return 4 of the 28 bodies held by Hamas back to Israel today. This is all part of the phase 1 of President Trump's peace plan to end the conflict in Gaza. Here are the faces of resilience. These are the 20 living hostages who were released today, and each and every one of them with their own unique and compelling story. We will, of course, be following the story all day long. Stay up to date on the NBC7 News app, online, or tune in for NBC7 News at 4. I'll see you there. New trash bins will start hitting the streets of San Diego this morning. Hundreds of thousands of new bins will start rolling out in coastal communities first as the city begins charging for pickup. NBC7's Shelby Bremer was in La Jolla this morning as the community is first in line to get those bins.
It's out with the old, in with the new, as these black trash bins here in La Jolla are getting taken away, and the city is rolling out new bin delivery all across the city. And of course, those new bins do come with new fees. It's garbage day along the coast. But not just any garbage day. It's the day the bins themselves are getting picked up too. The city of San Diego is starting to deliver new trash bins. Years in the making after voters back in 2022 passed Measure B to allow the city to charge property owners directly for waste collection for the first time in over 100 years. So 225,000 properties are now getting the new bins and paying the new fee.
I think it's a great idea that it is time that we start paying for some of our services.
Judith Swain and Rita are excited.
Having different fees for different size trash cans and the number of trash cans you have make people think a little bit more about what they throw away.
It's $43 a month for the 95-gallon trash bin, cheaper if you chose a smaller container, but more if you add extra bins. The deadline to pick was September 30th, but so far just about half have made their choice. So they'll get the biggest, most expensive bin by default.
Think about getting half of anybody to do anything. We'd say that's a pretty high bar.
The city says the old bins were in some cases more than 20 years old. The new bins are gray instead of black to differentiate who's paying the fee and who's not.
I don't expect anybody would like a new fee.
While there has been pushback, including a lawsuit, the city says this is basically so trash collection doesn't compete against things like emergency services.
Library hours, park and recreation center hours, it better balances. You get a service, you get charged a fee for that, and then we can use your remaining taxes to really operate the services that everybody expects out of our city.
If you miss the deadline to make your selection from these sizes, you do have 30 days from when your bin is delivered to log in and make any changes. The rollout of these gray bins will take about 6 months. From La Jolla, Shelby Bremer, NBC7.
Kaiser Permanente nurses and other healthcare workers voted for the work stoppage. The statewide 5-day strike would start tomorrow and Sunday. The San Diego Medical Center in Kearney Mesa, the San Marcos Medical Center, and Zion Medical Center in Grantville are just some of the local hospitals that could be affected. The United Nurses of California says it is fighting for safe staffing levels and equitable pay. Kaiser says it's been negotiating in good faith since May. They plan to remain open and will notify patients of any changes to their appointments. Chief Meteorologist Sheena Parveen joins us now with a look at your gloomy forecast. Hi, Sheena.
Hi there. As we head through the rest of the day today, cloudy and cool, also breezy, only the upper 60s at the coast and near 70 inland. Mountains will be chilly in the 50s, deserts right around 80 degrees. Tomorrow we have some big changes. There's rain on the way. In the morning, it'll start to get breezy with a slight chance of a shower. By the afternoon, that's when we'll see most of the rain, showers with the possibility of a thunderstorm and breezy. Mountains and deserts are going to be driest in the morning, and then in the afternoon, showers with a chance for thunderstorms. So we'll be watching this closely. Your 10-day forecast is coming up.
Well, that is certainly different. It feels different out there, doesn't it? Sweater weather. Fall is here. Okay, still to come. Changes. Have you heard about this? To the Padres organization. Still ahead. Why the Friars skipper is stepping away as the team's manager. We'll have that and much more coming up. Stay with us.
You count on deeper investigations.
Why didn't you just let her go?
I'm trying to keep our family together.
You count on getting a response. You count on a committed team looking out for you.
A lot of our small business vendors tell me that you owe them quite a bit of money.
In 2 languages.
¿Por qué piensa que ellos no hacen más?
You count on results.
And they said, you have your money back.
And getting answers.
Do you still feel let down? It's a slap in the face.
This is NBC 7 and Telemundo 20 investigates and responds. Only on NBC 7 and Telemundo 20.
This is San Diego News Daily.
I'm Monica Dean. Welcome back. It was the Padres season ending in devastation in the wild card playoffs, and now there's another gut punch. Have you heard about this? Padres manager Mike Schild announced his retirement a few hours ago. Schild led the team the last 2 years and had 2 seasons left on his contract. In a letter to the San Diego Union-Tribune, he says, "The grind of baseball has taken a severe toll on me mentally, physically, and emotionally." He went on to say this was solely his decision and he wanted to take care of himself now. The Padres posted a message thanking Schild for his dedication to the organization and wished him good luck. The Padres say they will start the search for a new manager immediately. Cleanup is expected today for the helicopter that crashed right in the heart of Huntington Beach over the weekend. You can see here this video. Look at the helicopter crashing down, flying low over the beach first on Saturday and then suddenly starts spinning out of control before crashing into several palm trees. 2 people aboard the helicopter were safely pulled from the wreckage. 3 people on the ground were injured. All 5, including a child, were hospitalized with unknown injuries.
When they were transported to the hospital, they were transported in the condition that they were in, and that condition has not worsened as far as we know, and that nothing has been confirmed beyond that. We've seen some information otherwise, and we just want to make sure that that's cleared up.
As of this morning, there's still no word on the condition of the pilot or the others who were injured. The cause of this crash remains under investigation. Today is your last chance to see some of the iconic desert sculptures right in downtown San Diego. The art installation is located at Waterfront Park. You may have seen these steel sculptures on social media. They're normally located across the desert in Borrego Springs, so perhaps you've seen them when you've traveled. Creations like snakes and dragons, rams and dinosaurs. Artist Richard Briseda says these originally began because of his daughter.
We went to the movies, Jurassic Park movies, and she wants a T-Rex. And I said, okay, I'm buying one. Say, no, Papa, you made it for me. Say, okay, I make it for you. But she said, but I want a life size. Say, I do it, no problem.
Make me a T-Rex. How about that request? And if you make it out to Borrego next month, artist Briseda says there will be a new piece that is 2 stories tall. How does he do that? It's amazing. NBC 7 Chief Meteorologist Sheena Parveen will have a look at your weather forecast right after this.
NBC 7 and Telemundo 20. Weather coverage you count on. You count on accuracy.
The winds are going to be increasing.
You count on these experts.
Take a look here at our future weather.
In 2 languages.
Más de 3 pulgadas de precipitación.
You count on innovative tech.
Look at our first alert Doppler radar.
From a team you depend on.
Dry conditions to round out this week.
You count on early warnings.
Because we had pretty significant rain.
Because you know every second counts.
They just kept getting worse and worse.
This is First Alert Weather. This is coverage you count on. Only on NBC 7 and Telemundo 20.
Hi there, I'm NBC 7 meteorologist Sheena Parveen. Cloudy and cool today, feeling like fall. It's also going to be breezy, near 70 inland, upper 60s at the coast, unseasonably cool. Mountains in the 50s today. Tomorrow we have rain moving in. We could have a couple showers in the morning. Most of the rain so far looks like it should be here tomorrow between noon and 4 p.m. with a chance for thunderstorms. That's when we could see the bulk of the rain. Then we head into the weekend. We're dry after tomorrow, and we also warm up a little bit for the weekend ahead. Mountains and deserts, showers with a chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow, dry for Wednesday, and the weekend ahead looks good.
Sounds good. Legos are more than just for play. Turns out they're also helping heal. More than 1 million children globally are now using a Lego MRI set to help understand the procedure. Look, through hands-on play. The set features a scanner, patient bed, waiting room, staff, and medical instruments. Boston Children's Hospital is one of many facilities now using the toys with its patients, and they say it is helping. Lego research finds 96% of healthcare professionals use its model to help reduce children's anxiety about having an MRI. Nearly half reported fewer needs to use sedation after kids played with the set. Lego does not sell the kits. Instead, it donates them to hospitals around the world. How cool is that? More coverage you count on at NBC7.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.